Hey guys, Sick Automobile here. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to clean your wheels and tires. So I start by spraying Total Awesome solution to the tires and wheel. Basically, you can get those from Dollar Tree or any other parts store for less than a dollar or two. So I spray everywhere on the tires and on the wheels, on the wheel cracks, on the everywhere on the wheels. Taking my time. No, you don't need to let it cure or something. The next thing, I take my detail brush, clean, trying to reach to the lug nuts, to all the hidden areas where your hands can fit. That's pretty much about it. Clean, clean. So the next thing I'm gonna do, is to grab a brush, like a detail brush to, wash the tires, see how filthy those tires are, see how filthy they are, so the Total Awesome is doing a great job. You don't need to break the bank trying to detail your car or something. You can do this for less than a few dollars. So I wash, brush. The next thing, I use my blue rag. You can washcloth or anything. Getting more into the tires. That way, you clean it up properly. You see the wheels is already coming clean and sparkling alongside with the tires. So that's pretty much about it. So the next thing, I'm gonna just rinse it. Let's see, if we've done a good job or not. Yep, it's coming out. Voila! See how clean the wheels and the tires came out to be. So this is pretty much about it. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.